Want to know how to generate DTMF tones in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application, and now once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface or this screen right here. And now generating sounds or generating the tone we are about to do is super simple. So on top, you should be seeing a various navigation bar right here, and right beside tracks you should be seeing generate. So just simply select it, and now you should be seeing DTMF tones right here. So you can just simply select DTMF tones, and now make sure the sequence is whatever you want, and you can just simply edit out the duration, the amplitude, and once that is done, you can just simply select generate right here. After a while, your DTMF tones will be applied and it should be there. It's just like this right here, and that's it. Now you can just simply play it to preview. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.